Our planet, a vibrant tapestry of life, holds secrets in its deepest corners and highest peaks. While we are familiar with the great forests and the sprawling grasslands, there exists another world, a kingdom of botanical wonders that often escapes our notice. Hello and welcome. Today, my name is Vishal Sahu, and I invite you on an extraordinary journey into the realm of rare and unusual plants. We will explore life forms so strange, so bizarrely adapted, that they seem to belong to another world entirely. These are not the flowers you find in a local garden. They are nature's elusive masterpieces. Deep within the humid, tangled cypress swamps of Florida and Cuba, a phantom awaits. It appears as if by magic, suspended in the misty air with no visible means of support. This is the ghost orchid, Dendrophylax lindeni. It is a plant that has abandoned leaves, one of the very fundamentals of plant life. But then, for a few fleeting weeks, it reveals itself. A long, delicate stem emerges, producing a flower of ethereal, almost startling beauty. This spectral bloom has a secret life that unfolds under the cover of darkness. We travel now from the humidity of the swamps to one of the driest places on Earth, the Namib Desert. Here, in this stark, gravelly plain where rain may not fall for years, lives a true ancient, a botanical paradox that defies all expectations. This is Welwitschia mirabilis. From a short, woody, turnip-like stem, it produces only 2 leaves, just 2. But its true genius lies in its ability to drink the fog. The plant's enormous, sprawling leaves are perfectly positioned to catch this airborne moisture. In the dense, tropical rainforests of Sumatra, a botanical event of colossal proportions occasionally takes place. We are here to witness the blooming of Amorphophallus titanum, better known as the corpse flower. It unfurls to reveal a structure of breathtaking scale and bizarre beauty. A deep maroon furrowed spathe, resembling pleated velvet, opens to reveal a towering central spike, the spadix. To attract its pollinators, carrion beetles and flesh flies, insects that feast on decaying animals. As the flower opens, the central spadix heats up to human body temperature, a metabolic feat that helps to volatilize and broadcast its infamous perfume. We journey now to the rainforests of the Philippines, in search of a color rarely seen in the world of flowers. Amidst the sea of greens and browns, a cascade of luminous turquoise can be seen, hanging from the canopy like an elaborate chandelier. This is the jadevine Strongylodon macrobotrytis. Its color is so unusual, so electric that it seems almost artificial. Each truss is composed of dozens, sometimes hundreds of individual claw-shaped flowers. The flowers are pollinated by a species of bat that is drawn to the luminous color. The bat hangs upside down on the truss to drink the nectar, and in doing so, its head is dusted with pollen. Not all botanical wonders are defined by their size or rarity. Some, like our next subject, possess a marvel of a different kind, the ability to move. In tropical regions around the world, there grows a humble fern-like plant known as Mimosa pudica, or the shy plant. Gently stroke one of its leaflets, and a remarkable chain reaction begins. The leaflet folds inward, and then the one next to it, and the one after that, until the entire leaf stalk droops downwards as if wilting. This rapid movement, known as thigmonesty, is a sophisticated defense mechanism. After a few minutes, once the perceived threat has passed, the plant slowly begins to recover. In the nutrient-poor bogs and wetlands of Southeast Asia and the Americas, the struggle for survival has driven evolution down a sinister path. Here, plants have turned the tables on the animal kingdom. They have become hunters. This is the world of the pitcher plant. The rim of the pitcher, the peristome, is often slippery and coated with intoxicating nectar. An insect, drawn in by the promise of a sweet meal, lands on the rim. As it drinks, it may lose its footing on the slick surface and tumble down into the watery depths below. At the bottom of the pitcher is a pool of liquid. This is not just rainwater, it is a cocktail of digestive enzymes and wetting agents, produced by the plant itself, that quickly breaks down the insect's soft tissues, releasing the vital nutrients. Our final destination takes us to a plant that blurs the line between a healthy fruit and a decadent dessert. In parts of Southeast Asia and Hawaii, there grows a variety of banana that, in its unripened state, is a startling and beautiful shade of silvery blue. This is the blue Java, but it is perhaps better known by its delightful nickname, the ice cream banana. When you peel a ripe blue Java, you discover a creamy white flesh that has a texture and taste that is astonishingly similar to vanilla ice cream or custard. It is soft, melts in the mouth, and has a sweet, aromatic flavor that is far removed from the common Cavendish banana we find in supermarkets. This unique consistency and flavor make it a local delicacy, often eaten fresh or fittingly frozen and blended to create a completely natural, one-ingredient ice cream. We have journeyed from the spectral swamps of Florida to the ancient deserts of Namibia, from the fragrant, deadly giants of Sumatra to the sweet, surprising fruits of Hawaii. The plants we have seen today are but a tiny fraction of the botanical wonders that inhabit our planet. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these incredible plants fascinated you the most? Please share your thoughts and discoveries in the comments below. Let's continue the exploration together. This journey of discovery never truly ends. There are always more secrets to uncover, more wonders to behold in the natural world. By doing so, you'll join us for many more adventures into the heart of our incredible planet. Thank you for watching.